Hello, my name is Khorshed and this is my CS50 final project called Mobile Discount Simulator. It's a CLI. My GitHub username and my EDX username I'll show you at the end of this video. So I'm based in London, United Kingdom, and I'm recording this on 28th of October 2025. This project is inspired by my real work managing an e-commerce business where I deal with e-commerce pricing, mobile app discounts, and payment method surcharges. So I built a Python command line tool that simulates all of that logic. The program is written completely in Python inside project.py and uses no external libraries, only the Python standard library. It has a main function plus multiple helper functions, including parse catalog function, which reads a CSV catalog of products. Mobile app price function applies mobile only discounts. Payment adjusted price function adds a bank transfer surcharge. And lastly, cart total function, which calculates totals, VAT, and item counts. I also created a file called test underscore project.py with pytest keyword test that automatically checks each of these functions. As you can see in already, you can see the terminal here. So for fast make it faster video, so I already wrote a code in my notepad, so I just copy and paste here. So my first code, you can see each SKU category, regular and sale price, the app discount percentage, and the adjusted price if the user pays by the bank transfer. This helps me verify that my discount tiers and surcharge rules are working correctly before using them on my website. So you can see here, so base price 22.50 pence, app discount 5%, which is now £21.38. So if a customer uses like only bank transfer, it automatically add £1 extra. If they pays by payment card, so no surcharge. So now let's simulate a shopping cart with a few products and VAT. So I'm copying my code here. So you can see the cart totals now, the item counts, subtotal net, surcharge total, etc. So this confirms that my discount, tier, and VAT calculation are all working together correctly. So now I can also export these results to a JSON file for analysis and API integrating using. So I'll copy my code and paste it here. So the file is already created. You can see in here result.json file. So that file contains all the computed totals and configuration options. So overall, this project combines everything I learned from CS50: file handling, functions, error checking, testing, and working with the real data to solve a real-world problem. Thank you for watching my project demo, and now I will show you my username and the project name for a few seconds.